2 News investigation our team has been following for months. A former daycare employee charged with aggravated child sexual abuse appeared in court for the first time.
Yeah, court documents show 30-year-old Tanner Wayne Dobson admitted to South Ogden Police that he filmed the molestation of a 5-year-old girl who was a student at Progressive Preschool. That's where he worked. 2 News investigative reporter Darby Sparks has been following this case and has updates from today's hearing. Darby.
That's right, Mark and Heidi. Today it was supposed to be decided whether Tanner Dobson will face a preliminary hearing, but according to his defense counsel, that was delayed once again here at the 2nd District Courthouse in Ogden.
State of Utah versus Tanner Wayne Dobson.
Today was the first time Tanner Dobson appeared in court and was seen by the public since his January arrest for charges of sexually abusing a child. The original preliminary hearing was dated for February 28th, but was moved to March 27th on the basis that they would decide on whether to have a preliminary hearing. And now that's being moved again on the basis that the case is still being investigated.
I've spoken with Mr. Kane today. There is some more investigation going on, so we need to continue this out probably another 30 days or so.
That's Roy Cole, Dobson's defense attorney, speaking of Nathan Kane, the prosecution that agreed to move the hearing to April 24th.
Does that work for both sides?
It does, Your Honor.
It does, Your Honor.
Court documents from the case state a child attending the daycare Dobson formerly worked at claimed to have been molested by him during a gymnastics class. Dobson was charged shortly after the initial complaint, which uncovered multiple similar allegations of molestation against Dobson at the daycare since 2017. Those cases have not led to charges. According to the court docket, the defense in Dobson's case requested evidence in a discovery motion back in November, asking for all evidence seized from Dobson, including video and audio evidence, as well as a list of witnesses and any reports made in connection with the case. The state declined that request, citing they did not have to share the evidence unless each item specifically is identified by the defendant. Now, I asked both the prosecution and the defense to elaborate on what further needs to be investigated in this case in order for it to move forward. The defense told me that they had no comment and the prosecution did not respond. Live in Ogden, I'm Darby Sparks, 2 News Investigates.